Hi, this is Deborah Sable Thornbrew, and I'm going to demonstrate how to approach Unit 10 for our CSIT 125 Word class. After logging into Blackboard and navigating to the Unit Assignments page, notice that for Unit 10, everything is due by midnight on April 28th, 2017. Unit 10 deals with automating tasks using templates and macros. Click into Unit 10. And in the overview, there's an explanation I've given you about what templates are. And when you are saving a Word document, there are different ways in which you can save it, not just the regular Word document .docx way. There are different ways. There's an explanation here, but below that, there's a video I recorded that explains and demonstrates how to save a Word document using these different file extensions and what the purposes are of doing it. Why would you even do it? So keep scrolling down and you get into the macros area. This is my explanation about what macros are and basically how they work. Please be sure to read the warning here that macros can also carry viruses by unsavory people who create them, so be aware of that. And also read these instructions here about how to set up Word on your computer so that it will allow you to run macros, because the default setting is to block them. Then down here there is the bulleted list of skills covered in Unit 10. You're going to learn how to use a template to create commonly used documents, how to customize a template, how to record a macro yourself and how to run and delete a macro, and how to copy and edit an existing macro using Visual Basic, which is a very simple programming language that you're going to very briefly use in Word in this class. Trust me, you don't need to memorize anything here. You don't need to become a programmer. It's just a very simple way to change a macro behind the scenes. And also how to add a keyboard stroke combination and a button shortcut to run macros from. Also how to create and use a macro-enabled template to automate certain tasks and copy a macro to another document. The tasks you're going to do in Unit 10, you're going to read Chapter 10 in the textbook. You're going to complete a Word project within SimNet and turn it into SimNet. You're going to take the Chapter 10 quiz. There's no required discussion post for Unit 10. Scrolling back up to the top, I'm going to click into Assignment Instructions. Here we have the list of things you're going to do for this assignment for Unit 10. And here's another video I created that demonstrates how to create and run two different kinds of macros and how to edit one of them in Visual Basic. So you might want to take a look at this video to give you a sense of what it's like. Then there's some important notes here to read about this project. It is a SimNet project. You will be doing it online in SimNet. And please read these paragraphs about that project. Then a reminder to take the Chapter 10 quiz in Blackboard before the due date, before the end. And down here towards the bottom there are a couple of additional resources. These are two different web pages, websites online that can give you some really good illustrated step-by-step source of help and support on how macros work and also on templates. Your SimNet project is worth 50 points. The chapter quiz is worth 5 points. Scrolling back up to the top, if you have any questions, please be sure to email me before the due date, and I'll do my best to help you.